So there's this thing called CCR5 gene editing trials. There's been some discussion about this. Do you know if that's happening in Australia? Is that one of the ones you've been talking about?
Gene therapy is another approach, and what CCR5 gene editing does is it basically makes someone's cells resistant to HIV. So HIV needs this protein called CCR5 to get inside a cell. It's like it uses that protein. It's like a lock and key combination. You've got to have CCR5 there, and then the virus can slip inside. But we can now do gene therapy, which effectively means chopping out the gene with these sophisticated tiny micro gene scissors that can get rid of the CCR5 protein. That's what gene therapy is. It gets rid of the gene that you don't want anymore. And so that we can do that. So you can edit out CCR5. Basically how those studies are being done, and at the moment they're only being done in the US. A patient with HIV on treatment gives a large amount of their blood. Those cells are edited by these gene scissors, and then they're put back into patients, these now CCR5 negative cells. And then they're resistant to HIV. At the moment, those studies look promising for a range of reasons. First of all, it's safe. There's no adverse effects. Those modified cells survive after you put them back into someone, but they're still at very low levels, around 6%, and they probably need to get to much higher levels to be effective. But a lot of interest in that. I should say one thing about gene therapy is it's expensive and it's very complicated, but an area of intense interest.